order the following from least to greatest, and we have quite a mixture here. We've got integers, directed numbers, we've got decimals. It's a real mixed bag. So this is definitely going to make us need to know about place value, and it's also going to ask us to really understand this idea on a number line that 0 is the center point of that. Everything on the right is positive, everything on the left has to be negative. So let's have a think. One way I would suggest that you do this is you separate these numbers into negatives and positives. So let's do that. We've got -5, and I would put these in columns. So -5, minus 0.3, so it's those two guys there. On this side you've got 3.4, you've got 61, you've got -13, you've got -4.3, this side you've got 5, and you've got 0.44. Okay, so now it's pretty simple way to do it. As with the with our negatives, we can just plot those on here if you like. There's a couple of ways to do that. You can just plot them on here, just estimate them. So -5, let's say, is here, minus 0.3 would be up here somewhere, 13 is down here somewhere, and -4.3 is in between those two guys. And so you'd immediately know that for sure the order of the negatives, the smallest is -13, next is -5, next is -4.3, and next is -0.3. So that's one way of doing that. You can actually do the same method with the positive numbers. You know that 3.4 is, let's just say it's there, 61 is way up here, 5 would be here, very close, and then you've got 0.44. And there you go, you can just have that. So you know that 0.44 would be next. You know that 3.4 is next. So he's out. You got 5. And then you've got 61. And those are the correct answers. So you can have it that way. The other way to do it is to use place value. So we go here and we look down the tens place here, so we have 13, so for sure 13 is the smallest in this case because we're dealing with negatives, so we would go -13, let's just put it up here, -13, so he's out. And then we deal with these ones. We got 5. Now you're looking for the biggest digit here because the bigger the minus, the further down the number line it is, so we're looking for big numbers here. So 5, 0, 4, so 5 would be next, so that's that one. We've got a 0 and a 4, but it's 4 bigger than a 0, 4.3, and then we have -0.3, right? And that is the same order as we have here. And on this side you've got 61, well that's towards the top end. Then you've got 3, 1, 5, and 0, so 5 would come next. Then you've got 3.4, sorry, and then you got 0.44, and that would be the order. And you can see that we already have that order as well down here. That's how you order from least to greatest when it's all mixed up and jumbled.